Let us have fun making an alphabet dance. So first thing first, we need to change our sprite the cat to a letter. This is delete the sprite and you choose it from here. Do we have alphabets, letters? Yes, there is a caption in the library saying letters. So let's take S for scratch. And the S is going to get all jazzy with music. So how do we make it dance? Obviously dance means moving in different ways the body. So let us try picking up blocks that could make it look like dance. This way, left and right, turning, then moving some steps here, and we can have another move with negative, which means it will go backwards. Front is positive and negative is on the left side, that is on the x-axis it's moving. And to move up and down, what do we change? The y-axis. So to move it up and down, we will say here, change y by 10, or you can also change it rapidly with set y to some location on the y-axis. So it looks like it's right now -18. Now you take it and make it -28. If we put minus, that is increased, it goes downwards. So now it is at 28. So down is minus, and if you want to take it up, you have to write in positive. That is set y to 28. That is positive. It will go up, down, up, down. This is back, front, back, front. So we have then, this is moving, turn, angle. You can have it a number of times. So these are the blocks we will use to move the body, that is our S. What else do we need? Of course, we need music. So how do we get music? We have something called sounds here, wherein you have already recorded sound of a cat meow, and other option says record. Here if you have microphone, you can record some music and play it in your Scratch program. Other option is in the library, which is here add extension. You will get a lot of music files already put in. So you can click on it, and here let's see what we have. We have drums, we have sticks, side sticks, crash cymbal. So anyone, let us say clap hand. And how does it sound like? And again we want some varied music. Let's check this sound. Okay, and rest for, like, this is a pause, rest for some time. If we need it, we will come back again and use it. So for now we'll keep these two for alternating. So these are all the blocks that we would need. Now how do we arrange them in a systematic manner to make a program? Should we make the backdrop, that is the background of the stage, more colorful? Yeah? Okay. Let's take it from here. Something to do with Let's take patterns. Raise. So our S is right here and it's gonna dance. Let us arrange. We want it to move backward, play the music, turn a certain degree in an angle, move front again, then move backward, go up. Let us put them all together. Here we can remove this and check if we want it. All the while we want the music to play, and this we want forever to play. So this is how the alphabet moves and the music playing. How about making it repeated so that it does not stop? So forever, and let's click on it. So it looks as if S is dancing. But as for up and down here, it doesn't seem like moving up and down. Why is that so? Could it be because it's so fast that it just cancel out? Let us put wait button. In controls we have something called wait, and see what happens. It has slowed down the up and down movement. So what we are going to do now, how do we solve the problem? It waits up a longer. So let's keep it 0.5. Half of 1 second is 0.5 seconds. And check what happens. It looks better, right? You could reduce and increase this wait time. So our S is dancing to the beat. Let's stop this and give it a position. Say we want it to dance here in the middle. Okay, what is the location of S here? X is 2 and Y is 8. So you could give it a location from move. Let us go to here. Whenever you start, it will start from here, this location. So let's start the dance show. So it looks, it's dancing. Correct? You could also play with other blocks and alter its movements. There are ample of choices here to make the dance more elaborate, and music can be changed, many more beats can be put in. It can go on and on according to your fancy. So have fun there creating a great dance number.